O, blow muna, blow.
Karel.
Happy na po ako sa mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. And of course, to our TikTok Love family, maraming salamat. Thank you so much.
Opo, ito po yung first birthday ko na nag-celebrate kami dito sa TikTok Clock and I'm very happy po na nabigyan po ako ng, I mean like, actually na-shock ako sa totoo lang na parang they really find time to greet me and I'm very happy, I'm very grateful to be in this family, TikTok Clock. Maraming salamat. Sila po yung nag-mold sa akin to be a better judge and grabe yung guidance kaya I'm very thankful and thank you so much TikTok Clock family. Thank you.